harvest today, so I'm gonna show you some footage. We're on corn, obviously, and yeah, so won't you come farming with us? For the last time this year, probably, unless it might happen again if we try to reorganize the shed. But he's gonna fuel up quick, and I think he already greased this morning, so then he'll be out and ready to go to the field. Video. Look what he's gonna do. He's pumping the fuel.
What's the stuff that's going
on? Well, we are finally getting into the grain cart and gonna run it for a little while, so pretty stoked. Here we are, going out to the field, driving the 4440. We got some hooligans on the four-wheeler. Following Joseph out. We're actually just gonna follow him out, get the grain cart full, get the combine full, bring it in, and then our bin is getting close to full, so he needs to scoop some of it around because it's kind of loading uneven. So we're gonna bring those two loads in, unload them, or maybe he'll scoop first. And hopefully that will be figured out. Got a lot of visitors on the farm today, so it's pretty fun for a Saturday morning. I'll show you guys some grain carts back here. Got my tractor buddy. Got the auger out. Hoping I don't run the dog over. I love this job. I'm so thankful that God has blessed us with the ability to farm and to farm together. There's nothing like it. Of course. When I got in here, there was a wasp in here. Okay, buddy, you gotta let Mama do the steering, okay? Got our mirror here. We're going kind of a medium speed. So we stopped here. We're just gonna kind of wait. Joseph's gonna go down. It'll take him a few minutes when he's on his way back. I think he'll go to this row on his way back, those rows, so we'll probably go on the north side of those. I'm not sure if he'll need to dump then or not. Since I haven't been out here, I'm not sure how long it takes him to fill that chamber up on the combine. So I'm just gonna sit here and play with levers, I guess. Are you pulling all the levers, Pumpkin? Just don't put us out of gear. There we are. Crazy to think that we're almost done. We'll be done today. Kind of sad, bittersweet, but it's pretty chilly this morning, so the weather is turning. It's about time, I guess. So just want to do a little not an intro, but for anyone who doesn't know why you have a grain cart when you're harvesting, it's kind of self-explanatory. man, my face looks really dusty. Sorry, we were kind of in the shed and it was dusty. So the combine, the chamber of the combine where all the grain goes once you combine, when that gets full, then the combine operator puts the auger out, and the auger transfers the grain into wherever you want to put it. So basically, most times you have a grain cart or something of the matter, and you put the grain in there, and then once the grain cart is full, the person driving the grain cart, tractor in the grain cart, takes it back and unloads it out of the grain cart auger, and then it will go into the bin. It goes into another auger and then into the bin. So basically, it's just kind of like a transport thing. Makes it a little easier so you don't have to take the combine back to the bin every time to unload. The combine can just keep going. When you're a really big farmer, you have way bigger grain carts. I don't even know that they're called grain carts, but they hold lots and lots of grain, so it cuts down your trips, even for the grain cart driver, to the bin as well. So, little information there for you. Alright, so we pulled up in between the rows here, and Joseph's coming. He's gonna unload into the grain cart. So we're just kind of waiting right now. I ended up going over there, but he wanted me in here. He just turned around, so I don't know if he'll do these rows next. Unfortunately, I can't video and dump and do the grain cart all at once, but I'll show you us driving by Joseph. He just dumped, and we're gonna turn around and probably do one more load, and then we'll go in. So here we go. I don't know where we'll go from here because you got all those rows